I've always had some question on humility and being humble and what that exactly means. It's kind of a what exactly is humility? I mean, I've probably seen definitions, but you always say a person is humble. Well, what does that mean? I saw today that being successful in life, anything you do, you have to follow principles, and the principles are laws. Principles don't change. Anybody can have values. Values can be good, values can be bad. Everybody has values. Even a notorious gang of thugs has values. But if they follow the principles, they will have success, maybe just in the short term. Everything catches up to you. So, if we're taking a look at principles, which are laws, and values, which are something internal for us and what we believe, when you apply those values to principles, that's when things happen. So let's take a look at principles, which are laws. Let's say in the physical world, like physics, a principle or a law is gravity. If you have gravity, whether you have the right values or not, gravity still is a principle, a law. If you fool around with gravity doing the wrong thing, trying to jump off high objects, trying to fly by flapping your arms, the laws of physics pertain to you whether you believe in physics or not. Same thing with the principles in success. But then we got to take a look at humility. Well, what is the opposite of humility? Is pride. And I've always heard that pride before the fall. So here's where the definition of humility kind of made some sense to me. Humility is when you believe in your values and you have the principles. You know the principles rule, and you can't control the principles, but you can control your values. That's humility. Pride is when you think you can go out and you can control principles. When you try to control the principles with poor values, that's when pride happens. You fall, because pride is your ego. Pride before the fall. So therefore, if we're going to be successful in life, we have to have humility and understand that we have to submit to the principles and laws of life. With pride, try to change those principles. You've got to remember also that with the principles of law of gravity, we didn't have the ability to fly, but using the laws of gravity and the laws of the universe, we were able to learn how to fly and do those things. So nothing is impossible, but you still have to follow the laws.